Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these quartz, fishbone, and crescent moon earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is start with attaching our quartz to the bonefish chain. So we're going to want to do that using a jump ring. And it's already open, but I'm just going to open it a little bit wider. So I'm just going to put pliers on either side and just gently twist that open. And then I'm going to string on there my quartz triangle and the end of my chain. And once I have both on there, then I'm just going to put pliers on either side of the jump ring and twist it back into place. Then I'm going to use a jump ring to attach the fishbone chain to the moon. So same thing, I'm just going to put pliers on either side of the jump ring and just gently open that up. I'm going to put the chain on there, and then I'm going to put the moon on there. And this one's kind of hard to hold everything. And then I'm just going to take that jump ring and twist it back into place. And then you just want to attach the ear wire at the top. I'm just going to open that up, twist it open at the bottom. Going to attach the moon. Oh, it doesn't look like I got it wide enough. There we go. And close that in place. And there you have it. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.